So, what's up, beautiful people out there? This is a rider, and yeah, today I'm vlogging about a topic. I guess I want to show something to you guys that my bike can exhale flames, uh, uh, flame throwing exhaust, I guess. So the weather is quite good, and I just want to go out for an evening ride. So it's quite hot, but need to wear a jacket for safety purpose. So, mm, so right now I'm heading to a place called Valam. So, I guess I'll catch you guys after I reach there. So actually, I think I won't go too far. So I will stop right here and show what actually I'm planning to show you guys. So this is the best place. This is the place where I actually learned my stuntings. This was the exhaust. It's the stock exhaust, and here you can see fire emitting through it. So did you see right there? So this is one of my favorite place. So I will show you how flames is exhausted by my bike. So just look at the exhaust. Did you guys just see? Yeah, this is my place where I actually learn the stuntings and learn how to properly ride a bike, I guess. So, why is the weather going to get bad, man? I feel like it's about to rain. Oh shit. I think it's about to rain. I think I must return. So I think I showed the flames that was actually exhaled by my exhaust. That's not the custom exhaust or any exhaust installed. That's just my stock exhaust that comes with the original bike, the Pulsar NS200. So whoa, it's about to rain, man. I should take off my camera right now, or else it will get wet and I will not be able to use my camera for the other vlogs. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new videos coming in the future. Till then, I will be giving you a goodbye and peace out.